Hello, my name is Stewart, and I'm a landscaper trained by a golf course superintendent for the care of Western Washington lawns. I'm here in North Seattle here, and this is a lawn that was just put in last fall, and this is a newly sodded lawn I'm pulling a repair on. So I have aerated, seeded, fertilized this, used some enhanced limestone on here product, and which will help with seed germination. And I also put on a 50-pound bag of a soil amendment that I use. And I'm going to come back in about a month's time and take a look at this lawn. Once again, I'm in North Seattle, and it's just beginning to rain here. And today is April 8th. And this is Christopher's front lawn. This place was just remodeled, and they dropped in new sod last fall, and well, it didn't make it. This is Stewart with the Aerating and Thatching Company, and thank you very much for taking the time to watch my video. Bye-bye. Hello, today is May 4th, and I'm just looking at this lawn that I had repaired. Newly sodded lawn was having some difficulties. I was just coming back and checking out my work. So it's been almost a month now. So it's coming along pretty nicely now. This has been a very chilly spring. We've had a lot of days under 55 degrees. But my soil amendment has just been bringing this lawn back nicely. Once again, this is Stewart with the Aerating and Thatching Company. And thank you for watching my video. Thanks. Bye-bye.